Hello everyone, it's Anshika this side and I've scored 95 marks in my class 10th maths board, and today I'm gonna talk about how you can score 95 plus marks in maths. Do you want to score 95 plus marks in maths but don't know where to start, how to start, and with which resources you need to start your preparation with? Okay, so without any further ado, let's get deep into the video and discuss everything about it. Maths is not about intelligence, it's about strategy, how you're planning your stuff and implementing them and getting your results. So we'll talk about how we can strategize a maths syllabus and everything so that we can achieve a target of 95 plus marks. Okay, so we will be making this video in three portions. First will be our normal strategy, like how we can deal with maths. Second, it's going to be about our resources, our books, our best books and everything. And third is going to be the perfect revision strategy, how we can revise our math syllabus in sufficient number of time so that we can achieve our target. Okay, so yeah, let's talk about the first thing, that is how to strategize, how to study maths effectively. Okay, yeah. So number one thing that we need to know about maths is understanding the syllabus and the weightage, because it's most important thing. Okay, your syllabus, if you're familiar with your syllabus, that's the most important thing. You need to know each and every freaking thing about your syllabus, how many chapters are there and what is the weightage of each freaking chapter. Okay, अगर आपको चैप्टर्स की वेटेज पता है, सो यू विल प्रायोरिटाइज कि आप हाई वेटेज चैप्टर्स को पहले कंप्लीट करो, बिकॉज उससे आपके मार्क्स ज्यादा हाई हो जाएंगे पहले ही, एंड लो वेटेज चैप्टर्स को हम बाद में भी कर सकते हैं. सो वी नीड टू मेक अ प्रायोरिटी अकॉर्डिंग टू द वेटेज ऑफ द चैप्टर्स. सो वी नीड टू डिवाइड द सिलेबस इन थ्री portions. First is going to be the high weightage chapters like the geometry, like the trigonometry and other things. Then we need to prioritize like medium weightage chapters, that is like probability, statistics, coordinate geometry and these kind of chapters. And then low weightage chapters like the surface area chapter, like the surface area and volume chapter. So we need to prioritize three things. We are going to divide our syllabus into three portions: high weightage, medium weightage and then low weightage. Okay, so first अगर हमारी ये चीज पहले क्लियर हो जाती है, हम समझ जाते हैं कि किसकी कितनी वेटेज है, so we can prioritize our syllabus accordingly. Okay, so we are done with the first step. Now moving forward to the second step, that is NCERT is your best friend. And I am saying this, okay, I am very sure when I am saying this कि NCERT is your best friend. NCERT वो बुक है जो CBSE की ऑफिशियल बुक है, so CBSE क्यों नहीं क्वेश्चन देगा उसमें से. I'm 100% sure that NCERT is the key to score 95 plus marks in maths class 10th boards. Boards are based on it, believe me. Solve all the examples and exercise questions of NCERT maths. Don't just read solutions, write them. Practice each and every freaking question. Do not just read and अपना पेज टर्न कर दिया कि ओके ये पेज पढ़ा एंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर देख लिया, सोल्यूशन देख लिया एंड वी आर डन विद इट. ओके, दैट्स नॉट हाउ यू नीड टू डू मैथ्स. आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है, लिख के देखना है प्रॉपर. ओके, जब तक आपको नहीं समझ आ जाए, जब तक आपको असलियत ना पता चल जाए कि कितना आपको आता है कितना आपको नहीं आता है, सो यू नीड टू study, you need to write, you need to practice your questions जितना भी आपके पास टाइम है. Then we are going to talk about a very amazing rule, that is the 3-step rule, 3-step practice rule. 3-step practice rule where the first step is to learn the concept from NCERT. पहले आप concept पढ़ोगे NCERT से. The second step is we are gonna practice the NCERT examples and exercise questions को हम फिर practice करके देखेंगे. And the third step is review and re-attempt those questions after like 2 to 3 days, so we can remember them for the longer run and for the longer time. Okay, so we are gonna revise them, we are gonna re-attempt them, we are gonna practice them again. Okay, after a few days. Okay, yeah. And if you talk about the perfect study schedule, you need to divide your day into 3 parts. In morning you will learn your concept and your formulas, and in the afternoon you're going to practice all the questions, and in the night you are going to re-attempt the questions. You are going to look for your mistakes जो भी आपने मॉर्निंग में या फिर आपने आफ्टरनून में जो भी गलतियां करी थी, आप उनको सुधारो, आप उनको देखो कि कहाँ कहाँ आप हमेशा गलतियां करते हैं, so that you won't repeat those mistakes in an actual board exams. Okay, so yeah, as we know consistency is the key, and maths में तो definitely consistency is the key. So आपको regular practice उसके लिए चाहिएगी. You need to focus on that very firmly and with a very cool and composed mind. आपको maths पढ़ना पड़ेगा. It's a very amazing subject and you can definitely score 95 plus. Now moving forward to the next portion of the video, that is the best books and the resources. Okay, let's get one thing straight. NCRT is non-negotiable. NCRT is your best friend. NCRT is the king, and we cannot deny this fact. Okay. First, we need to complete NCRT and then move forward, and then we are going to move forward to next books or other books. Okay. But before NCRT, no way you can move to any other book. Additional books, if you want to practice, like you want to practice more apart from the NCRT, so you can go for previous year questions. So you have to practice previous year questions of 5 to 10 years, last 5 to 10 years, so that you know the kind of questions are being formed and being framed so that you can attempt them. Okay. And then we have online resources also. YouTube is a great platform to help you get questions, to help you practice, and there are various channels where you can follow. Like number one that I consider as my preference is Shobit Nirvan. भैया बहुत अच्छे से कराते हैं आपको सारी चीजें. Then we have physics वाला also, and a lot of other channels also, so you can follow them, you can practice from there. अगर कोई भी question में doubt आ रहा है, you can definitely refer to a YouTube video, and that's it. And when talking about revision of maths, that's a very great thing कि आपको like पढ़ना तो सब कुछ है लेकिन रिवीजन भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है ना, राइट? सो अगेन वी आर गोना part this revision into 3 parts. And the first is going to be solve all NCERT questions without looking at the solutions, without looking back at the solutions of the NCERT. Okay, पहले आपको questions को attempt करना है, practice करना है. Then the second step we are moving forward with is solve past year questions under exam conditions. Like अगर exam आपका 3 hours का है तो आप 3 hours की sitting के साथ past year papers के साथ बैठोगे, उसको proper attempt करके देखोगे, अपनी गलतियां देखोगे and everything. Okay, so now moving forward to the third step, that is only revise formulas and your weak areas and your weak points so that you never mistake any other mistakes again in your exam. And formula and theorem notes is very important. You need to make yourself you need to make cheat sheets for yourself so that you can revise your formulas, you can revise your theorems, in the last day of your exam. So yeah, that's going to be a great strategy. And if you want, you can go for Shobit Nirvan again, and you will find those 1-page notes there in his channel. So yeah, in the description I'll link them down if you want. And yeah, that's it. And the last and the final tip that I consider the most important tip is that कि आपको एक बुक पे जो भी आप इन कुछ दिनों लाइक अपने लास्ट फ्यू डेज में एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो मैथ्स की, राइट? आपके पास एक हफ्ते से ज्यादा है. सो यू आर गोना डू इज कि आप जो भी गलतियां कर रहे हैं, अभी क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करते गलती करते, सो यू नीड टू मेक योरसेल्फ like a revision, okay, mistake notebook where you will be writing all the mistakes you're attempting, and then you can go for that, and at the end of the day you're gonna rock it. Okay, yeah. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you really like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and share this video with your friends, and like this video. And yeah, that's all, and I'll meet you with a new and an amazing video again. So till then, keep practicing, study hard, and I know you can definitely score 95 plus marks.